Good morning, everyone. What's that one thing the UK market needs to get us to those big numbers?
The heat pumps at the moment are the viable technology.
Consumer connection, so connection in connection.
Heat networks present significant opportunity for decarbonising heat in the UK.
I think it was a really interesting debate about making good quality heat networks.
As the market grows, there'll be different problems and we'll have to try and find different solutions, etc.
Lots of information on future standards and legislation coming from the Department of Energy Security.
We've had some really good questions from the audience through our interactive panel debates. So what is the biggest barrier to district heating in the UK? And
The difference between pumping energy and heat losses.
Yeah, I thought it was really good, very informative, a lot of people here to talk to and to meet, very positive.
Excellent speakers, good Q&A sessions, so yeah, very informative.
It's always good to find out, especially new products that REHAU are launching.
So what we've done in the future, we've not just looked at the shroud, we looked at how we do foaming, and this I think is a first on district heating. Please don't, it's not for shaving for anything, but basically you activate it, you mix the two components inside by twisting it, you shake it and you pour it in. So it's a very simple process. You can also use it on more than one shroud as well. So you can actually, if you've got half the can left, you just take it to the next shroud, whereas the other one you have to use for that shroud and that shroud alone. So it gives you that more flexibility on site as a contractor.
Clip shroud, it looks like the obvious advancement of the old shroud, giving you that flexibility.
It's quite ingenious.
Potentially a great opportunity to speed up the deployment of pipework into developments as we go.
There's big potential for it in the UK, I'm sure.
We're really excited to launch it. There's not been many shroud innovations in the UK market for many years, so it's really good to bring something new which can hope save installation costs and time for contractors going forwards. And thank you all for attending. I hope you found the morning useful. Thank you for all the questions as well.